Hello guys, welcome to Sherae Petrie's first food review, and this one is a fast food one, not a home food one. So, our food's right here. I ate some for lunch, but we still got a little left for dinner. Let's take a good view of it. Let's open it up, take a good view. Look at that shine, look at shine. And we got our drink. I got our drink right here. That's our drink. Some Gatorade, some lemon lime. That's delicious. So let's dig in. So should I try the rice first? Yeah, I'll try this rice. Here, let me get you a look of it. Looks like that. So it looks like, let's try it. That's good. I like that. Oh, broccoli. There's some good broccoli. Good broccoli. Try some more rice. How about rice with broccoli? Oops. Rice. Okay, I'll take a drink of this lemon lime Gatorade. I needed a drink. Let's try more rice, because I like the rice. Try a carrot. Never tried a carrot. Try another broccoli. I'm gonna save the chicken for last because that's most important about the meal. Now we only have rice and carrots left. So let's eat up the rice. Eat up the carrot, now eat the chicken. Okay. I think we should eat the chicken now. Oh yeah, good view of the chicken. Gotta eat half of that, that's too big for the mouth. This is good. It's from China Walk. We live at 217 North 8th Street. I like Panda Garden too. Panda Garden. Take a drink. Let's have double carrots. Nice view of the double carrots. Not on my fork anymore. I eat some rice or it gets wasted. I was about to show you a view of that rice I'm about to eat, but I was about to show you a view of how much rice I'm eating. Just gotta show you on my hand then. How much rice I'm gonna eat. A lot. Give me 1 second. I was just gonna get a napkin. Drink some juice. That's good. Let's eat the rest of our chicken. Nice rest of you. Use that napkin. Nice chicken. Chewy. Okay. Nice. Well, now I'm gonna watch food videos. I'm trying to get more money. I want to get subscribers. Guys, if you get me a subscribe, oh my god, I'm gonna be so happy. But if you get me a subscribe, I'll be so happy. So happy. Serious. Just right. When you get like the brown rice, it's so good with the oily sauce. So delicious. We still got some rice left over, but the video's gonna be almost done, so. Okay. Next time you see me, you'll be seeing me do another food review video, either a homemade video or a fast food. Today it was a fast food China walk. They got nice lunch specials, chicken and broccoli with white rice and soy sauce. Remember that. Peace out. Thanks for watching.